In this video, we are going to talk about match expression. In older versions of PHP, we use the switch statement to compare values, but in the PHP 8 and newer versions, we have a cleaner and more powerful alternative, such as match expression. It's faster, more concise, and it returns a value instead of echoing directly. Let's see how we can type our match expression. We can start with a match keyword, then pass our variable which we want to compare, and in the left side of the arrow we tag our options to compare with our variable, and if any option match, then we will return the right side of the arrow which is the value, and if no options may match, we have a default option as well which will return if no option is matched. Now, let's see how we can change our switch statement that we used in previous example to more powerful alternative match expression. So, to change the switch statement to match expression, first, instead of switch, we will type match, then pass our variables, and in the left side, we will move our options, then the arrow key, and after that, our values that we want to get. Then up in the state of semicolons, we change them to comma. Now we don't need this case and equals. Since it's an expression, we can store this inside a variable and echo that variable to display our text. Now let's go and see it in action. So let's start by creating our variable which is fruit and set it to apple. Then let's create our match expression. So by typing match and pass our variable, then inside the curly brackets, first I will type my option. So the first option will be apple, and I will set it to if it matched the apple, return red fruit, then comma, same with banana, then I will say return yellow fruit and grape purple fruit. And if no option match, by default return or show unknown fruit. Now, even though I wrote it here, but in the browser, I don't see anything to display the return of this match expression. We have to add it inside a variable. So let's create a variable and assign it to match. Then at the end, let's echo our variable, which is color. Because it's a expression, we have to assign it to the variable. Now in the browser, I got red fruit. If I change it to grape, I will get purple fruit. And if I change it to something which is not inside these options, I will get unknown fruit. Another good thing about this match is that you can also group multiple options together. So for example, let's create a new variable, and in this variable, I want to check that day. Is it weekend or weekday? So for example, in here, I will create a new variable and set it to Saturday. And to check if it's weekend or weekday, I will create a match with our variable inside it, and for the options I will type set for Saturday and comma Sunday bring weekend. For Monday, let's make it capital, Monday, Tuesday, with Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday bring, what should it bring? Weekday. And if it's not found, by default, show invalid day. That's it. Now let's assign this match to our variable as well. So let's say type is equal to our match expression, and if I echo my type, I will get in the browser error. Okay, we forgot semicolon here. Okay, I got in the browser weekend. If I type here, for example, Friday, I will get weekday. But if I type any invalid day, I will get invalid day. So this is how we can create a match expression in PHP.